Yeah, so my name is Shoaib. I'm the founder of Mecha Systems. We make programmable computers. We build computers for hobbyists, students, right, and they could eventually be used in industrial settings. We have been building this since 3 years. It has been like a painful process overall, from the amount of cost, effort spent, and we never imagined that we could be at CES, right? This was, it's never even in a scope for us, right? So being able to come here through MJF and being able to get this kind of an opportunity is invaluable. We have had a wonderful experience. We have been meeting press every day, and we have been covered by them everywhere across the world. We're literally having people coming in at our booth saying, we saw the video here, we saw the video there, we had this blog, I saw this blogger write about you, and this is featured up in Engadget and sites like that, right? So it is it has given us a tremendous value. So being part of the MJF India Pavilion here has been of tremendous value, in the sense that we never hoped that we could be at CES, and just being able to get this opportunity to help showcase our work here to everybody on a global stage, right, is just done wonders for us. This is the Mecha Comet. It's a modular Linux computer. We've designed this in-house. This has been a product of 3 years of R&D and design. The device runs on an ARM64 processor. It's an entire computer in a handheld form. You have 2 USBs on the side. You have a gigabit Ethernet, expandable storage using NVMe's. You have a battery system. You have a camera. This is running Linux. The entire software is open source. You can modify every aspect of it. You can build extensions. The extension system is modular. You can actually swap extensions, so you can remove the keyboard, replace it with the gamepad, and this is magnetic, so it's stuck. I mean, it's stuck, and it's quite tight, so it doesn't really fall off. The OS is powered by Debian Linux. Again, the GUI is something that we have built in-house. It can run things like a terminal. You can go back to the home screen. You can lock the screen. This is an unlock. You can run a full browser. Sorry, I just locked the screen again. And yeah, it can play games. You can use the file manager. You can run commands. So for us, the target audience is education, people who work in networking, people who work in IT. They can modify this. This could even be used in robotics. Combine the camera with the accelerated AI accelerator. You can build machine vision models, put it on a robot, and yeah, you can have a robot out of it.